Hi, welcome to Bouncing Pulse. Last time I visited my native, again I came 2 days back. I'm going back to Bangalore. So I wanted to show you that I forgot something like my mother gave some food for me. I asked pickle, but along with pickle, she gave me something sweet. Well, it is inside here. Yeah, this is that. Okay, I will show you what is inside. Let's go. Here I have shade. Bike is over there. So this is the pickle she has given. Looks great now. Yeah. Closing this pickle, I didn't taste yet. After going to Bangalore, I'll taste with curd rice. Keeping it aside, and she gave this food. This is called karjekai. Modaka also can be said. Yeah, I'm making this video. Why? Because I'm eating the food after 13 years. Ever since I left my home, I didn't have a food which she has prepared, and she has invited me 2-3 times come home because of circumstances. Couldn't able to go. Yeah, finally she gave me this. This is karjekai, nothing but modaka kind, but it's a roasted one. Yeah, I'm eating this after 13 years. Means a lot. Taste is as it is. Mother's food never change. Everybody knows this. Though I'm saying it because I'm experiencing after 13 years, man. कुछ तो like yeah, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Yeah, the only reason I want to show you that is I'm eating the food after 13 years. It means a lot for me. Thank you, Ma. Maybe she doesn't know I'm making video and uploading this in video. Don't know whether she sees this video or not. She might not have subscribed. She uses YouTube, I know this. Yeah. ಈ ಥರ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. Actually, nobody will get this kind of experience in their life. But I got this kind of experience to feel that kind mother's food, eating of sesame several years. And yeah, now going back to Bangalore, I will start uploading some of the new videos and with different kind of contents. Whoever not subscribed, please subscribe. Whoever watching newly, new viewers, please subscribe and support. See you there. Bye bye. तू चांदनी धड़कता हुआ, देखो अंधेरा मिसलता हुआ, तेरे झलना भी हमसे